I'm Carl from BOC, the largest distributor of Lincoln Electric in the UK and Ireland. The Lincoln Powertec 191C MIG machine is perfect for light construction and thin sheet metal applications. This machine has excellent arc and starting characteristics, allowing you to complete your project quickly and professionally with minimal spatter levels. It is equipped with a large drive roll system for quality welding performance and efficiency. This machine has a robust undercarriage with large steering and rear wheels, making it easy to manoeuvre. The Lincoln 191C is a welding machine for the professional welder who wants great results every time.